Well, good morning once again, everybody. We're winding it down. It is the last weekend of the Washington season. And after my epic miss the other day, which after watching the video clip, I can see no excuse whatsoever, except that I just did not pull tight enough to his chest. I'll have to watch it on the big screen, but man, it's crazy. I rushed the shot. It's as simple as that. I had all the time in the world to work it out. And I think that was the worst part, because I watched that bird forever coming down that road. But that's okay. Humble pie. Doesn't hurt not to fill a tag. Man, there's been so many tags filled this year. I think that's I should have focused on Idaho. Normally I knock Idaho out of the way first and then I go after Washington because there's more time, but just got too involved with too many different people and just having too much fun. No big deal. Anyway, heading out today with Brett. If you remember Brett Bass from last year, I took Brett out on his first ever turkey hunt. Man, we had some call-ins, and the biggest problem was Brett just did not have his gun dialed in. He missed the first shot on a great strutter. Maybe I can stick some footage back in here. And then he missed another shot on 3 big birds walking that we called in. And we realized at that point, unless it's inside of 20, we're not pulling the trigger again. So we ended that day with no opportunity really to make it happen. And we just realized Brett needed to work on his gun. So Brett has put some time into his gun. He definitely has done that. He's done pattern testing like crazy. He picked himself up a really good choke, of course. And he, I think, is running TSS number 9. But we know that you can miss no matter what. So, but he's put time in. I think he even picked up a red dot. He is leaving no room for error, except for the fact that we're going out on the last weekend of the season. And he's just been busy with work. He's got a new family, basically. So he's a young dad with no time and a lot of work. And that's life. And the fact that he's finding any time to go out is impressive in itself. Anyway, so heading out to meet up with Brett. Going in a totally different area than where I normally hunt. We're heading into the flatlands for the most part. I mean, it's got hills in it, but we're not going into the mountains. And it's more in the direction of where he lives. He's been seeing birds on different pieces of property. I know there's birds out here. I prefer to go in the mountains. It's just where I enjoy walking and hiking. But right now, that's probably good for me because I got a pretty nasty meniscus tear in my right knee, and I'm gonna have to suffer through that this summer and hopefully still make it back out for archery season in the fall. See what comes of the MRI. I don't know. Anyway, I know I've had people bugging me on the YouTube saying when you're putting out your videos, but you'll see when you get to this point, I'm holding off on videos this year. I try to do a spring release prior to next season. And I think that's going to be the new norm. So I actually have time to work on videos for a change. So, heading out to meet up with Brett and see how well he patterned his gun. It is windy as heck though today. I hate to say it. Dawn, we're going to try to get back out on Saturday. Right now it's Friday, so this might be the last 2 hunts. Might be room for another one in there. We'll see. Anyway, more to come. Heading out. Gonna go find Brett somewhere in the dark. Hopefully we can hear some birds in this wind. I don't know. It's gonna be tough. Folks, we're here with Brett. We're going back in the last weekend of the season. Trying a place I've never hunted, so this should be fun. Either way, you ready to go?
Yeah, let's do it.
And what do you have for a sight this year?
Vortex Venom Red Dot.
Oh yeah, and you're running what for loads?
TSS number 9, 3.5s.
Oh gosh, okay, we're gonna kill whatever we aim at this year.
Anything.
What choke is on your gun?
665 Carlson.
That'll work. Here we go.
Should be good to go.
Yeah. Wow, it's a stunning morning. Luckily, this wind is being blocked. So, just keep going in. Just keep following the road, I guess. Very cool moon. Nice. Well, we're pretty sure we heard a bird in the distance, but this flat land up and down, tough rocks. Lots of sign out here though. I think there's a good chance. Yep, there he is. That's the one we heard before. That's a good bird too. I wonder if we can get closer. This fence runs on the line. It's down the back of that canyon, which doesn't surprise me. Let's see if he'll talk from here. I might have to close the distance though. See if we can get closer. If they're not peeling away yet, they'll probably peel away at some point. So let's keep going. See if we can get a little tighter. There's hope in the wind. There's still a lot of wind. Man, it's dry, so dry already. It's good to hear one talking though. More to come. Sit down next to you on the right. We want whatever bird's gonna be hot. Right now, the one behind us is way more to our left. Yeah, left behind us somewhere. He's gobbling in the canyons, so it's kind of hard to tell where he is. My guess is at some point we're going to have to change our position here and work on the birds behind us. You know? Yeah. Because he's hot, he's coming. I think we should give up on the bird in front of us. Okay. And try to reposition for the one back there. That one behind us, he's talking like crazy. He's searching. Lots of announcements. problem getting here. Something's in the way. I swear it's like it's on the other side of that pond or something. Good grief.
There's birds everywhere.
I know. We're surrounded. We just need one to commit fully and get her. One out in front gobbling lot. He's a great bird. He'll be I call him Hollywood. He should be a good showbird. One back behind us every now and then. It's a freaking beast. This bird is having a hard time getting over here for some reason. I really think he's on the other side, just gobbling across. At some point, he'll lose his mind and fly across if he needs to. But if we were closer to him, it'd already be done. I'd say find a good place to hunt.
I've been wanting to come out here ever since we started this last year.
I knew it was good. I've looked at it a million times on the map and said, I gotta go there someday.
It's a good sized piece of property.
Oh, yeah.
too.
He's all over the place, but he's not really close enough.
It's 6 o'clock.
Wow. They're gonna lose those hens, and obviously there's hens nesting as we just found some broken eggs, so we're gonna try to find Hollywood bird gobbling his head off on the other side of this pond. Hopefully he's just staying there because it's probably his strut zone, you know. So we gotta close the gap. He's definitely willing once we get there, I think. Let's go find him. All right, we made it to the other side. Let's see if this bird will come in. Is definitely talking. Come on, baby.
always easy to swing left,
Okay.
but you're never going to make it right. You know what I mean? Safety off.
Safety's off.
He was really close. That last cop.
There he is.
Yeah, on top of the mountain.
Yep.
Don't move. Go for it. He'll come up. He's coming. Reload, reload. They're both coming.
The one's down.
You got one.
And that second one, I don't know. I had to swing for him.
Yeah, I think you stopped when you pulled the trigger.
Yeah.
Good job, man.
I rolled right out of this rock. My arm went on that second one straight into the... No shoulder behind it, just straight into the rock.
You did it, though. You did it. Good job. Turkey down. It was worth getting wet.
Yeah.
No, folks, I didn't video the fact that we just waded through water, but we knew these birds were over here. And Brett has broken his chain. It's been done. You are, just so you know, I've been trying to see this happen. That's the 21 gun salute right there. That's bird 21. I'm like, someone's got to
This
break
year?
the 20. Oh, ever.
Oh, that...
You just broke all records for us. You almost got 22. You might have. I don't know. We'll have to take a look. He didn't roll at all.
Big pattern. Look at how far the plug went.
Yeah, I know. Oh, good job, man. That was awesome. That's out there. That's a good shot.
Yeah, I'll range it from there.
You're gonna have to. Oh yeah, took him out.
Big bird.
That's a good bird. Range that. And we'll double check to make sure there's nothing laying over here
I don't
somewhere.
see anything.
Well, he was going this way, right? Let's take a look. We had the one good spot down there at that rock. 53. That's a good pattern. Right to that rock. He didn't see the decoy yet. The tree's still blocking her.
It's like, let's push it, then he took a couple more steps.
See what I mean though? How if we'd gotten any higher, the chance of us getting busted there right in this opening. Yeah. Nice beard. That's a fine bird, man. We're double checking because we know he had a wide pattern at this point when he shot again. We'll keep looking here for a minute, but. All right, number 21 is down.
Down.
The 21 gun salute did happen. Brett made it happen for us. Let's see that. Get him out in front, show us that beard, fan that tail out nice. We didn't get to see it. You know, I put the decoy in the only one spot that they ended up not seeing him. If we had had it even 3 feet to the side of this tree, they would have went right into strut, and then you would have seen the other one too. Yeah, pull the outer feather all the way down on both sides. There it is. That's the fan we didn't get to see. But that's a true Merriam's.
Yeah.
They're white. Look at the tips. He's got some like almost brown, probably from fighting. I would bet he's lost a couple feathers from fighting earlier in the season. Show us that brush up there. He's got a big brush, and that's unusual for our birds around here. Big, thick brush. Super nice.
Big bird.
Yeah, he's a good bird. We still got birds on the way out.
I know.
We crossed the muck to get in here.
Yeah, about 5 minutes.
Uh-huh. Well, it's fun. We got them gobbling on the opposite side of the ridge. Let me just show that really quick. Huh?
You take a photo.
Oh, we're going to take lots of photos.
Okay.
You have no clue how many photos we're going to take. He just asked me if we're going to take a photo here. He wanted to get a photo. People,
Look at this thing.
all of you that have been with me, you know we're going to take some photos. This is his first turkey too, by the way. So photos are going to be coming. We have lots of places to do that. But really quick, we were on top of the canyon on the other side, and we got this bird gobbling down here. We were somewhere not up on that point, I don't think. I think we're a little further over. A little further over that way.
Yeah, we're in that little drop.
And there's a big swampy, mucky pond mess in between us, and we had to go, I don't know what, 700 yards down, give or take, to come all the way around to this side. And then we still had to walk through water. Huh?
A little ways, half mile walking over here.
Yeah. But, I mean, that's the cool thing about it. That's a real hunt. Excuse me. The cool thing about it is that's a real hunt, because you located a bird, you used the train, you got in on him. Boy, they gobbled. It's a good thing he gobbled when he did.
We would have busted.
We'd have been busted, because I wanted to get a little bit closer. But that honestly was like the best possible setup spot. They never saw anything. They were still coming. He stopped for a little while, he's looking. I made that little tiny peep, and he's like, oh, he started walking.
Yep.
He was convinced. So we're gonna get some photos, and then we'll do all the other stuff. More to come. All right. So what gun were you using, Brett?
Benelli Super Black Eagle.
Super Black Eagle. Very nice.
Yeah, with the 26-inch barrel.
And so show us that. Did you you did that camo
Yeah, I
yourself?
got this camo off, I don't know what it is, Gunskins, I think.
Gunskins?
Yeah.
It looks great, and it matches your jacket.
Yeah, it came out nice. Vortex, red dot on there
Yeah,
with Carlson choke.
excellent.
Shooting TSS 3.5-inch number 9.
And you ranged that bird at
53 yards.
53 yards, and what'd you range him with?
Vortex, binos, rangefinder combo.
Ah, very nice. I was wondering, I was like, you pulled out his binos. I just wanted to know what you had.
Yeah.
So nice tail, good looking bird, big brushy beard, nice headshot. It's just nice to see a thick brush for a change out here. That's nice and wide. We're gonna get some stats on the bird really quick. Check his spur length, check his weight, and pretty tail though. We got it while we had some wind. All right, we'll get some more here. All right, we're gonna get some weight on this bird first. I'm guessing around 18 pounds. Most birds have been losing weight. Yeah, let's redo them again. Start from 0 on the ground and go straight up without even hesitating, just to double check. Zero it out, and the minute you start moving, just keep moving, because if there's any weight on that thing. Yeah, he is. He's 16. I'm surprised. He felt heavier than that.
It feels heavier than that.
But, like I said, they've been strutting crazy for a long time, and they lose a lot of weight. And then they start gathering up food and eating for the rest of the year and get fattened back up again. All right, we're gonna check some beard length, spur length.
I'm gonna try that 3/4.
Right at 3/4. Man, they're so rubbed off out here in these rocks.
Yeah. Rolling right at 3/4.
3/4 again. Beard length. Did like the temperature drop 10 degrees or something?
It did. It's cold.
What the heck?
I don't know.
It's like cold. It's like winter all of a sudden. Hard to believe it's going to be 90s.
Next week. Right at 8 3/4.
8 3/4. And it's brushy. Show us where it attaches. I mean, right where the beard, how thick it is, right up there at the front. It's just thick, heavy brush. Yeah. Nice. Really nice.
Yeah.
Cool.
Good bird.
All right. Get some tag on him. Cut and tag time. Got you covered on the cut.
What's today?
Huh? I don't know. You got a phone. I'm not the one hunting. I've kind of given up on dates now.
28th.
28th. Okay. Got a piece of wood down there you can cut on against. It'd be good to do. Makes it easy. Cutting his first turkey tag. This is epic. I'm so glad to be a part of it.
Wouldn't have happened without you.
Well, we had some fun getting close to birds. We've got all kinds of birds around us this morning.
Yep.
There's a couple monsters in the back of this property too. On the way out, they
On
might
that
just be done with their hens.
Farmland.
Yeah. Brett's tagging his first bird. It's a good day.
Yeah, it is.
It's a good day, especially after last year. Hey, last year was your epic learning day.
Yes.
Today was your epic killing day. You almost doubled. That was close. But that's okay. There's bigger birds on the way out, so. All right. Tagged and bagged. Time for some dragging.
Yep.
Good job, brother.
Yeah, that was
Get
good.
a bump on that.
Seriously.
Woo! Yeah. What fun. I'm stoked. I got to be a part of it. Bird 21 is down.
Yeah.
We got the 21 gun salute on a holiday weekend. Memorial Day. It's
Yeah.
kind of epic.
It is.
I think it's pretty epic. I'm stoked. I still have Dawn I can take out, and we still have more hunting to do on this piece of property. We're not done yet. We might pull another bird in. So we're going to keep going. It's early. What time is it? 7-ish?
8 now.
Yeah. Either way.
7:52.
They usually don't break away till about 9, so
Yeah.
that was good.
We got
What a beautiful
perfect.
place. Yeah. Yeah, good timing. All right. We're going to keep going. Now we got a live decoy, too. It was a fun morning. And the sweet talk with the Phelps, all the way, no problems. Right to the very last second. You know, we called across the canyon, he answered. But when we got over here, a little bit of sweet talk came right in, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm loving this new cut. Absolutely. The Chris Parrish Huckleberry. It's working really well. It's been a good year. All right. We're going to keep walking. And we're barely getting into the backside of this property, so. But in the meantime, what a great Memorial Day hunt. What a blast. More birds to come. I got a feeling we're going to keep getting into it. So we'll keep going. If not, this was a good day.
right, Spur Chasers, one more time. Well, maybe one more time.
All right, well, wish me luck, everyone.
All right.
I'm really hopeful that I'm going to get my last tag, well,
You
my
get the-
only tag.
It's gonna come out that opening on the left, it looks like.
What about those trees? Go right through them?
Yeah, you just, wherever, if you see a head,
I don't think I'm...
rotate as much as you need to now while you have time. Just get your knee up. It's gonna be right in that opening there. Just let him go. Just relax.